To be able to run in the Docker in the Windows, we need a virtual machine capability of running a running a Linux. Sorry. We have two options. One is Hyper-V, the other is this WSL. WSL is the Windows Subsystem for Linux. Microsoft suggests WSL for running Linux loads. It is easy to install. We need to go to open the PowerShell. Sorry, here, PowerShell. And here, install. It will go download the latest version of the Windows Subsystem for Linux. After it install, we can see which distribution we can use. Linux distributions here. It's about to be finished. Oh, it is already also downloading Ubuntu. And installing it. It will take a little bit time to install the Ubuntu. No, it is very fast. Ask me for the new account. I'm giving my name, giving a password, and then mounted in here. We can see if we go to here, as you can see, the Linux file system is here.